Warning, the content for this video is going to be educational but may be graphic to some viewers. So in one of my last videos, I talked about the importance of not letting someone crack your neck if it's not in the correct position, because it could lead to things like stroke. Now watch his face. There goes the facial droop. Here we get into this tone and we're starting to spaz out. Now, in this video, this guy gets some water and he's going to give him some water. That's one of the worst things you can do because they're not able to swallow, which could lead to aspiration and may cause death.